Hey, it's Chris again, coming from my new C&H Auto Accessories store at 1443. We were at 1435. We have moved 3 doors down. Why? Well, we got a better looking showroom and a bigger warehouse. That's right, we doubled our storage so we can work on more trucks. So that being said, what we got today? Come on, Caleb. We got a nice Ford Maverick here, and we did a couple things. We added a racks to it. By Truxedo, we did the rails as well. Now, he had bought the backflip MX4 already, didn't get it from us, but we were able to work all this together, and we do sell backflip MX4, so it is a cover that we sell quite a few of. So that before I get started on how great everything is, just go ahead and swing the camera around, see how well everything matches. The MX4, the rails, everything matches the truck. This actually really gives the truck a nice look with the black wheels and the black trim. It all matches very nicely. Now, these are the Truxedo Elevate system, which, by the way, are on the back of my truck, which, of course, I didn't back in today, but you can see them over there. And I like these. I like these for a lot of reasons. One, it's got 3 settings. Right now, it's at the 18 inches. Then it goes to 23, and then it goes all the way up to 28 inches. So that really gives you a lot of options, a lot of adjustable racks out there. And say, oh, it's adjustable. It's usually 2 inches. This got a full 10 inches, so that's a big difference there. So having all that extra availability for bringing them up is great. Now, the 18 inches on this work really good. It does clear the roof. He's going to put his kayak on here, and as you can see, it's going to clear it really nice. Now, he bought the racks. Now, they're sold separately, and then he got the T-slot rails, and those are also sold separately. So we had to take the cover back off, put all the T-slot rails on there, and then we put it back on. Now, these are the 50-inch ones, which work just fine with this setup. A lot of times I will get longer ones and cut them down, but I actually thought the ones that came with it worked just fine. So let's go here and take a look how everything works here. Now, a lot of times when you get these racks and you got a folding cover, there's going to be a clearance issue. Now, the way these are set up, let's take a look here. As you can see, that clears it just fine here. Now, let's go into the cover real quick. You do have a left and right release mechanism. You got your double seal here, and that works really nice. So let's go ahead and keep folding here. Now, you can drive down the road just the way you see here. You basically have to lock them in place here. This way the wind doesn't catch it, and now you can drive just like that. Now, let's go. Does it fold the 3rd time? Now, most of the time, if you got the racks at the lowest setting at 18 inches, this would not clear. Now, this is a short bed. It's a 5.5 foot, I'm sorry, 4.5. That's even bed. So that means these panels are smaller. So if you have the Maverick, now it will clear. Let me show you what I do here. If you notice, I get a little closer, I kind of push it down just a tiny bit, but it will clear it by doing that. It's a tight fit, but as you can see, it does work. So if you want to drive down the road with this up, here, let's go ahead and show you here. Slide it all the way up here, lock it in place here. Now you can do that. He's got basically, he's not losing any space in the bed. When you have a short bed like this, you don't want to give up any space. This setup works really well. Now, there's a couple things we would need to go over. For example, the brackets, they give you 2 sets of brackets when you get this. Neither one works. That's right. So we end up doing here, we did a hybrid. We used the black bracket that locks into the rail here, and then we use the silver one. Those 2 work together. So if you buy this from us, better let us put this on. It is a little tricky. Now, if you have us drop ship it to you anywhere in the country, we probably will have to go over what you'll need to do to make this work. A couple little things, because you'll get in there and you'll start bolting it down and it doesn't work. And you're going to say, oh, it's not made to work together. You have to get a little creative, just like us. So again, I like this setup here. And these basically, if you look over here, these lock right in place. Again, when I go close this, I'm going to push it down a little bit to clear it. Now, if you notice, he's got bumpers here. These are basically to protect your rear window. Now, when it is folded up, it does act as a headache rack. And if you're not familiar with that term, basically it's something to protect your rear window. So if you got something really big back here and this thing's folded up here, and somebody comes flying forward because someone cuts you off, you hit the brakes. Instead of hitting your window, it hits the cover. The cover can take the impact a lot better. So again, I like this. I like the little texture finish on this. Now, these come with the backflip MX4s do come with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, if you buy from us and we have us install it, we double that warranty from 5 to 10 years. Unfortunately, he didn't get the cover from us, so we weren't able to double the warranty, which is too bad. But the T-slots, the Truxedo Elevate system, all the parts you see here, you can get from us. We can ship it anywhere in the country, or best thing, come here, let us put it on. This is, like I said, a couple of tricky things. Caleb, who's behind the camera, is one of the people working on this. He'll tell you it's not as easy as some of the other setups. But it can be done by you, but you'll probably need to talk to us. Now, if you end up buying this from another company, chances are they're not going to know these things work together. And even though it does say it does work together, they'll get it and nothing's clamping on correctly and it wants to fold in and a lot of problems. Buy from us. We'll tell you exactly to make it work perfectly like this. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and before I go, I forgot to mention a very important thing. This is all made in the United States. This is all USA made. I like American-made products because you know what? We do a good job. Just buy from us. We're better. So buy the American-made products. You can't go wrong. And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date. All this great new product. And again, Caleb, swing around. Make sure we're getting how this looks. I tell you, if you have a Maverick, this is a best thing to go do. It's doubling your space because you're now can put stuff on top. You can even put some stuff on top of the cover and tie it down. You can do a whole lot with this setup. Thank you so much for checking out the review of the MX4 Truxedo Elevate racks with the Truxedo Elevate T-slots. Thank you.